slide that I wanted to get to for you today, is the human moment for face-to-face meetings. So I flew here from Chicago, sat next to a woman, so we were physically next to each other. We were physically present, but we didn't have a human moment because I had my headphones in, she had her headphones in, and we didn't have this key interaction. We didn't have these two. We had physical presence, but we had no emotional or intellectual action or interaction, right? You need human moments. It's proven that, I don't know, you might smile. Maybe not true. I shouldn't say that word with you in the room. That it's highly likely that if people with the most human moments live longer. They're healthier. They've got better relationships because they have these human moments. Let me ask you a question. What happens when an organization like JLL, when the people don't have enough human moments? What happens in an organization when we don't have human moments? We're lonely. You are lonely. You're doing your job alone. You're not very happy.
You become
you're
a
not having
siloed organization.
What's that?
You become a siloed organization.
Thank you. It's a silo organization. What else? What other things happen in an organization when you don't have these human moments?
Less collaboration.
Less collaboration.
Less creativity.
Less creativity. Collaboration, creativity. What's the worst thing that can happen in an organization?
Less trust.
Easier for the robots to take over.
You know what? You know what? I don't know if you're trying to be funny a little bit, but I think you're right. It makes it easier saying, you know what? People interact in it. We can replace it with AI or a robot. Absolutely. Here's the worst thing that happens: people leave. People leave. In my full-day workshop, I show examples of companies. The best companies in the world are the ones that they take care of their employees first. And their employees love being there, and then they take care of their clients. And I think JLL has a lot of human moments. I didn't leave the organization because I didn't like the organization. I left the organization because I had a passion to do something differently. I think JLL is we have a lot of human moments. And I encourage you, the rest of this conference, have these human moments because you never know what you're going to find out. What's going to happen? Yeah.
Just a point of interest, I heard a researcher speak last week on multi-generational workforce, and she said that the millennials are the most connected group of folks, but they're also the loneliest.
Interesting. The most connected, but the loneliest. We're going to talk about them briefly here in a second, in the last few minutes we're going to have together. Here's a slide that I had at lunch with one of my students, and I just made this slide. And he said, you know what, I just want to get things done. I know the path I'm on. I know what I want to do after graduation, and I just know the right path, and I'll listen to people, but I'm really driven. And that was me. That was me at his age. What I have found, and what this depicts, is that here's me, there's you perhaps, or maybe it's your husband or wife, or your partner, whatever. And then we go through life, and sometimes we know the path we want to be on, but we don't allow people to knock us off our path. We don't listen to people when they say, you should do this. We don't listen to people when they say, you know what, you better make a U-turn because you're heading in the wrong direction. We don't listen to people when they say, you know what, if you just veered off a little bit, you'd be happier. Or, you know what, you need to take a right turn in life. You need to take a right turn. It's not working for you. And so, the older I've gotten, the more I listen to these people. And not just that, I would encourage you to welcome, to look for people who will throw you off course. Because just in the last 8 months doing this, people have been throwing me off course, and I'm having a blast because they're directions that I didn't think I wanted to go down, people I didn't want to work with, things I didn't want to do. And you know what? If you allow people to knock you off course, that's when life gets full. That's when life gets rich. So I don't know if I'm presenting that slide the way I feel it, but have those human moments. And then when you have those human moments, allow people to change your path. Because good things typically happen.